Hello students, and I am here with another interesting question where we need to solve the area of this orange region given that the diameter of this semicircle is 10 units. Also the angle, this angle is 30 degrees. It is given to us. This is the information that is already provided to us, and we have to find the area of this orange region. Okay, so how to proceed it? In order to solve this question, we need to know few concepts. Let me tell you a few things like how to find what is the area of sector of a circle, which is obviously given by pi r square theta over 360 in the degrees, right, where r is the radius of the circle. So if you have sector of a circle, say this one, having the angle theta, then this area is given by pi r square theta over 360. Also, if you are calculating the area of a triangle, then the area of triangle is given by area of triangle ABC, let's say, is given by half into base into height. Right? Okay. One more thing, if you have an isosceles triangle, in an isosceles triangle what happens is at least two sides are equal. If all the sides are equal, then it is also called equilateral triangle. But the definition of isosceles triangle is at least two side lengths are equal. So if I consider these two side lengths are equal, so in that case this angle and this angle are going to be same. If it's a ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB length and AC length are equal, then angle B and the angle C are going to be equal. And one more thing, sum of all the angles in any triangle is always 180 degree. You are already familiar with this. And linear pairs, if you have a line and there is this another line which is making an angle x, let's say, with this line, in that case this angle is going to be 180 degrees minus x, because these two angles will be linear pair, will form linear pair. Okay, in case of trigonometry also, if you have a right angle triangle, let me create a right angle triangle for you. If let's say this hypotenuse is having the side length r units, it's a BC is a right angle triangle which is right angled at B, then AC is r units, let's say this angle is theta. In that case this AB base you can say, or adjacent you can say, this side is r cos theta, and this perpendicular or you can say opposite side is r sin theta. Okay, so in this question we are going to use all these concepts, right? Okay, so let us start solving our question. So this is a semicircle and we need to find the area of this orange region. In order to do so, let us consider that, let's give the names to this A, this is, let's say, center is C, it is B, let's say it is D. Now I will join C and B, these two, and if the diameter of the circle is semicircle is 10 units, then I can say that this AC distance is going to be half of that, which is 5 units. Okay, so note down these things and let's move to the next sheet. Here we have this. So as I said, this AC becomes 5 units. This angle A is 30 degree in the triangle ABC, and ABC triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Now next part, see this angle is 30 degrees, right? If this angle is 30 degrees, now I am going to calculate the remaining angles by what? See, if you have this A, look at this ACB triangle, see AC and the BC, these two are radii, means these two are same. So if AC length and BC length are same, it means using the isosceles triangle properties, if this is your A, this is your C and this is your B. Here we have AC and BC, AC and BC, these two side lengths are same. So these two angles must be same. So here also this angle becomes 30 degree. Now in the triangle ABC, and using the angle sum property means the sum of all the angles of the triangle is going to be 180 degree, right? So on the basis of that I can say 30 degree plus 30 degree plus this angle ACB. I am talking about the triangle ABC. Okay, so angle ACB must be equal to 180 degrees. So from here I can say angle ACB becomes equal to 120 degrees. So here we have this angle as 120 degrees. Now using the linear pair property, as I told you earlier also, if this is a line and this another line makes an angle x here, so this angle is 180 degree minus x. So here if this angle is 120 degree, so can I say this angle is equal to what? 60 degrees, because total sum must be equal to 180 degrees. So this is what we got till this part. We have the radius of this circle and we have all the angles. Okay, now next thing is we need to find the area of this orange region. For doing so, what I am going to do is area of orange region, I will consider this sector of the circle, this complete sector, what is that? Actually it is nothing but the sector ACBA. Okay, so I will take this ACBA, so area of sector ACBA minus the area of this triangle ACB, area of triangle ACB. If I do this, I will get the orange region. How can I get the area of the sector ACBA? By using the area of the sector formula, because we do know the angle, which is 120 degree in this case. So we know this complete sector area. Now we need the area of this triangle only. Now our next step is to find the area of this triangle. Okay, so let us mark this as yellow and the other part as blue, right? Now we need to find the area of this ACB triangle. What do we need for finding the area? We need half into base into height, right? So if I consider this A, this is C, this is B, take this part, and angle C is already known to us, which is 120 degree, which is obtuse angle. If I consider AC as my base is equal to AC and its value is already known to us, which is 5 units. Now I need the height. For the height, what I can do, I can extend this AC further and I will drop a perpendicular from B on this extended part of AC here, which is, as you can see in the diagram, E. I am giving the name as E to it, which is our height of the triangle ACB. Now next step is to find this height. How can we find the height? In the triangle, CBE, as I told you, this BE length is going to be equal to BC sine 60 degrees. You remember, if we have any right angle triangle, this angle is theta, this is r units, then the opposite is r sine theta and the base or adjacent is r cosine theta. So here we need this BE, which is r sine theta, which is BC sine 60, and BE will become, BC is 5 units, sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2. So now I have everything. Let's substitute this and calculate the final result. First, area of ACBA, this sector having the angle 120 degrees. So I will get the area as pi r square, which is 5 square, theta over 360, which is 120 degree over 360 degree, minus area of the triangle ACB, which is half into base. Base I considered as AC, which is 5 units, times CB, times height BE, which is 5 root 3 by 2. Now all we need to do is just calculate the things, right? So you can use the calculator, right? Okay, so on solving it, the value of this comes out as, this cuts up to 3, so you will get 25 by 3 pi, and on solving it we get 26.179 approximately, minus solve this one also, you will get 25 root 3 by 4, and its value comes out as 10.825 in the square units. On solving it we get approximately 15.354 square units as the area of this orange region. And this is our final answer. 115.354 is the area of this orange region. In order to calculate this, what we did, we first calculated the area of this sector ACBA and subtracted the area of triangle ACB from that. For finding the area of triangle ACB, we needed the height, and for height we used the trigonometric functions, and that's how we got the answer. I hope you liked this video. If you need any one-on-one session, group session, help chat, or homework assistant, doubt clearing solution sessions, or any assignment or project do you have, you can just contact us. You can write your question in the comment box also, or you can contact us on this WhatsApp number or join our Telegram channel through this. Okay, that's it for this session. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next part. Keep watching, keep learning.